The Malibu, doing front brake pads. First thing you want to do, open your hood, drive the side firewall, remove the cover off your reservoir. Just pretty much unscrew those black pieces on your hubcap that popped right off. 19mm lug nuts. Once you get your tire off, two number 13s. No, they're actually 14s, sorry. There's one right there. And there's one down at the bottom. You need to get those out. Take off your caliper. Alright, so once you remove both your number 14s, got them right there. Just use a pry bar in between the caliper and the retainer and pry it off. Alright, both brake pads are removed. Just gonna compress your piston now. And you're gonna use a seat clamp. Alright, new pads are installed. Gonna reinstall your caliper. Just push back on those cushions so your caliper will slide in. Do that now. Alright, now reinstall both your number 14s. One there. And that bottom one. Put back on your reservoir cover on the driver's side. Pump your brakes. Reinstall your number 19 lug nuts and tire. And that's the Malibu front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.